Alright, here's a short video just to explain how to set up Quantum Information Systems Kit on Windows, and the instructions for this are also found on the GitHub repository for Quantum Information Systems Kit, and then go into the SDK. Alright, and the instructions, you scroll down just to installation here. It says you need Python 3 and you need Jupyter, but if you just install Anaconda, it comes with it. So the first thing that we're going to do is install Anaconda, and that is found their website, anaconda.com/download. Go ahead and click this link here for the Python 3.6, and then when that downloads, it'll ask you, do you want to set it to a path variable? And there's another checkbox. I didn't check either one of those boxes, and then let it continue the installation. Okay, and then another helpful thing is if you just Google Conda cheat sheet, you can find the cheat sheet for all the basic commands in Anaconda. Alright, so then once that is fully installed, type in the Anaconda prompt, and you should get this. You should be able to right click and run as administrator. You may not need to, but that's what I'm doing just to make sure that all my packages install. And then we'll use our cheat sheet, and it tells us how to create the environment. So we want to create an environment using the conda command, create, and then tac name, and then the pi35 is their name. We'll rename ours to something different, and then Python 3.5. So let's do that. Alright, so conda create tac name, and then we'll call it capital Q. We'll call it this, and then Python is 3.5. Prefix already exists. Let me call it, because I just did this before, let me call mine Qiskit 2. Alright, so it's gonna install all our packages. Just hit yes, and you can see it's gonna go ahead and put pip in here for us, which we're gonna use in the next step, because when we look at our instructions, it says just to run the pip install Quantum Information Systems Kit. Alright, so once that gets done, we'll activate the environment doing conda activate, and then Qiskit 2. So now we're in the Qiskit environment, and any packages that we install are going to be only seen by this environment. So if we were to do like a conda deactivate after installing some packages, then our regular system is not going to be able to see these packages. But okay, so we'll go ahead and pip install, and then Quantum Information Systems Kit. So it'll collect that and install it. It's also doing an updated version of SciPy, it looks like. I'm not sure if that came with the Anaconda environment or not. But basically, after this installation is complete, you're able to use Python, and the Quantum Information Systems Kit is just a library that we're importing these methods from, or these classes. Alright, so that just got through. So now we have our library installed. Let's go ahead and run Python, and then just to check to make sure it went through, we'll import. We'll do from Quantum Information Systems Kit, import quantum register. And once that works, which it did because we got it returned, then we know that our installation was successful. So exit. Alright, so hopefully that works for you. Let me know if it's not working, and see what we can do.